Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for AMP online banking account. If you want to access your financial transactions and account histories from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for your online banking account could be the best decision. The process to register for your online banking account is very simple, secure and straightforward. In order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for amp.com.au. Once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto the login option here. Once you see the login pop up on your Windows, go and tap onto now here register for my AMP option. Now you'll be directed to the registration page of AMP online banking account. So before you start your registration process, you will need to have your mobile number handy. Now go to your details section and enter your account type. Then type in your last name, set your date of birth, then enter your account number that you can find in your newsletter. Then type in your valid email address. Then re-enter your email address in order to confirm. Then scroll down and tap onto the next option. By tapping on it, you will receive an SMS verification code on your mobile device from AMP Bank. So verify your mobile number by entering your verification code. Then tap on next. By tapping on next, you will have to verify your mobile number by entering the verification code that is sent to your mobile device by the AMP Bank. Once you verify your mobile number, you will be directed to another page. Now here you will have to create your credentials. Create a unique username for yourself, then set a password for your account. Now tap on next, then follow the prompts, and you will have successfully registered for AMP online banking account. So the next time you want to log into your account, you can log in with the username and a set up password that you have created while registering for your AMP online banking account. And this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.